Welcome to the internet.
They're making me do it again.
Yeah.
Got into my head. No. 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 No.
Mind the fact this was your idea. I'm Mario. He's Mario. Together we're Mario. It's hard to make jokes about this because they're just doing it for me. Let's go. Where?
Pizza time.
As you know, nobody out pizzas the Hut.
What about the frozen pizzas at like Kroger and Walmart?
Wind that wasn't wind sucked me into the
It's like it's a worm who's sad. Anyway.